Boy, you are late.
Well, I'm here now.
You're going to break the door. Transform out of that stupid gorilla.
Nah, I got it. Oops.
Didn't I just tell you to transform out of that gorilla?
And I ignored you.
Perhaps we haven't met. I'm Robin, leader of the Teen Titans. You can't ignore me.
Huh?
Guess I need to teach you a lesson. You get to do all the Titans' dishes for the rest of the week.
Can't.
And why not?
Gorillas don't do dishes.
Then I command you to transform out of that gorilla.
Gorillas don't listen to commands either.
Ah!
Do not permit him to get below the skin, Robin. As long as he sees he's bothering you, he's not gonna listen.
I suppose you're right. There you are, Beast Boy. I was hoping you could help me.
Sorry, gorillas don't carry boxes.
Mind picking up your mess, Beast Boy?
No can do. Gorillas don't pick up after themselves.